kidding.
Kamora's coming. I know you missed me. You are way over your budget of bullshit. I am a single mom.
Mom.
I have several multi-million-dollar empires. She doesn't want to look like a hooker. My life is absolutely crazy.
That was a little spicy.
I don't want to do this. Hey.
What?
New and improved, reinvigorated, natural parts like a vintage Corvette.
Kimora back in the Fab Lane. New series Tuesday at 10 on...
Mm-hmm.